Hello, all. Welcome to week 4. Guess what? This week we have our first test. And also you have to submit the culture that you have decided on for your ethnography. So you need to be really solid about what culture you want to investigate and to be able to make sure that you can get into contact with people from that culture. So please feel free to use your notes on the test and please review. So this week we have a couple of videos. They are not terribly long. So this one is 20 minutes and this one I think 17 or so. Oh, this one's only 12 minutes. So you guys have 32 minutes of videos to watch this week, this barriers to intercultural communication. A lot of it might be stuff that we've read about. So just kind of a brush up on that, and then how culture drives behaviors. So please make sure to check those out. We have chapter 3, part 2. So we're finishing out that lecture that we did last week. And here is some test review. We go through as a class and we answered all the questions. So make sure you watch that. And then this one is just an interviewing question guide that we went through and talked about how to ask some questions, how to think of questions for when you're writing your ethnography and interviewing people for your ethnography. So here is the test review. So on paper, if you'd like to copy and fill those out. Our PowerPoint reviewed, if you'd like to use those. All of our readings from weeks 1 through 4. And our test 1. So it is only 32 points. I think it might be 16 questions if I recall correctly. So it might only be 15 or 12. There might be a short answer in there. But after you take that, then you are done with week 4, and it'll show you one question at a time, but it will show you what the correct answers are after you submit the quiz. And that wraps us up pretty much for week 4. You just got to do this super quick assignment where you're turning in what your culture is. Very easy, 5 points. So what culture are you doing? So let's say I'm doing culture of the Czech Republic. And then have I identified 3 to 5 people who I could interview for this? Yes, I'm going to talk to Juraj Stepanovic, Milan Stepanovic, Jacob Stepanovic, Zuzana Stepanovic-Ova, and Peter Voracek. So those are the 5 people who I want to talk to for this particular assignment. And then wrapping up, go over and look at your test. How did you do? What do you need to study more? Is there anything I can help you with? And then as we start moving into more of the ethnography, how confident are you going into this assignment? And please make sure you have identified people who you could potentially talk to. So that will wrap us up for that. I will do another video talking about the ethnography. So have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will talk to you later.